Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Barnes Noble Burbank. We're very, very excited to have you all here tonight for this culmination of an amazing series of Throwback Thursdays. Thank you for being here, and happy holidays to everyone. They are enthusiastic, LA-based communication professionals who share a love for classic media and television. She works marketing miracles in the healthcare industry, and he is a versatile graphic artist. On the weekends, they both can be found working their way through LA's amazing book and record stores or visiting classic car showcases. Ladies and gentlemen, Steve and Virginia Reeser.
Thank you. And welcome to a very merry classic TV holiday event, a presentation of the Classic TV Preservation Society, also known as CTVPS. It's a nonprofit organization which seeks to close the gap between popular culture, entertainment, and academia. We are so grateful and honored that the Barnes & Noble in Burbank has opened its generous doors for this event tonight, which is the culmination and celebration of the very successful Throwback Thursday presentations held this past year and hosted by CTVPS founder Herbie J Pilato. So first and foremost, we do extend our deepest appreciation for Barnes & Noble Community Relations Manager, Diane Brooks.
Yay!
And also General Manager, Barbara Connolly.
And much is planned for this evening, including interviews with classic TV icons and a very special musical performance. Each interview will last about 10 minutes, and we would like to thank our sponsors of tonight's event, including Roman and Littlefield Publishers, Anderson Little Clothiers, Warner Brothers Home Entertainment, Mod 3 Productions, Hooters Restaurants of America, and Ron Dante, the musical genius behind the Archie musical. He also produced albums for legends like Cher and Barry Manilow, among other acclaimed artists. We would also like to acknowledge the creative talents of our production team, Michael Steindl, Uncle Polly Productions, and Julie Webster, Assistant Director Kata Armand, photographer Laura Johansson Garrett, and Cap, Director of Epitome Trinergy, and loyal attendees Jamie Schmidt, Harrison Held, and Elaine Ballas Honoria.
So wonderful, wonderful evening tonight. And as you know, many of the celebrities here tonight are authors of wonderful books, or they have DVD or CD releases. And some of those are actually behind me in this wonderful showcase wall, which looks spectacular. And once the main interviews are finished and the festivities for the evening are completed, those items are going to be available for purchase, and then the connected author or actor or artist will be available to personally sign them for you. Yay.
And each celebrity this evening will receive a gift package that includes a classic TV DVD donated by Warner Brothers, a music CD donated by Mr. Dante, one of Herbie J Pilato's beloved and critically acclaimed classic TV companion books, a Hooters t-shirt and or Hooters calendar, all of which are sold online and in Hooters restaurants, and a $1 per transaction for each Hooters calendar in particular is donated to breast cancer research.
Yes.
So because the Classic TV Preservation Society is a nonprofit organization, events like this evening are only made possible by your generous tax-deductible donations. And so you can actually visit www.classictvpsblogspot.com or email classictvps@gmail.com for more information about how you also can donate and keep special events like this going. And with that said, we are really delighted to introduce this evening our special host for the evening.
Indeed. She is a talented, beautiful, and stunning TV icon. As the star of the new Gidget, she ignited a career that has blossomed in every area of entertainment, from writing to producing and directing. Whether for the stage, film, or television, her charm, sense of humor, and unaffected down-to-earth demeanor shines through with refreshing grace and wit.
That's me. Yes, and he is an actor, writer, producer, singer, and of course founder of the Classic TV Preservation Society, and as author of Twitch Upon a Star and Glamour Gidget and the Girl Next Door and more, he formed CTVPS with a passion for positive entertainment. He's produced, consulted, and appeared on countless TV shows, including those airing on NBC, CBS, A&E, TLC, Bravo, the TV Guide Network, and E, as well as several classic TV DVD documentaries. So ladies and gentlemen, Herbie J Pilato and Karen Richmond.
We need music. Dun, 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 dun.
Sweet and later.
Wow.
Merry Christmas and
Wow.
happy
Wow.
They sparkle and they're full of holiday cheer.
Gosh, yeah. Oh, can't get over that, but
Oh,
where's the...
Alberto, call
Where's the thing?
205.
Okay.
Alberto, call 205.
Okay, let's see here.
mine's written big.
Yeah, you lucked out.
I have. That's what happens when you're middle-aged.
And down to earth.
Thank you for that intro,
Was it
Herbie.
nice? Well, it's the truth.
Well,
Truth is the
well,
truth.
bless you for that. Okay.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the show here. It's so nice to see you all, and we're so delighted. Thank you, Steve and Virginia. Thank you, Diane and Barbara. And all the special souls gathered here tonight when we celebrate the holidays and the integrity of classic television.
Oh, hi. Hello. Okay, let's read that big print. So that is the motto of the Classic TV Preservation Society, for which the full mission statement reads as follows. The purpose of the Classic TV Preservation Society is to educate individuals, community, arts, media, businesses, and academic organizations and institutions on the social significance and positive influence of classic television programming. Amen to that. Specific regard to family values, diversity in the workplace, and mutual respect for all people of every cultural background and heritage, race, and creed.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use this.
The use of this is bigger.
Okay,
It's
good.
better. Bigger is better.
Okay.
Family
In
values.
short, the CTVPS is a non-profit organization dedicated to the positive influence of classic television family programming, inspired by the charitable ways of TV icon Elizabeth Montgomery and the core message of her equally legendary TV series Bewitched. The CTVS heralds the message of truth through Bewitched. Yes. The CTVPS heralds the message of true love, friendship, strong work ethic, and advocates against prejudice of any kind. Samantha, as played by Elizabeth Montgomery, and Darren, first played by Dick York and Dick Sargent, loved each other despite their cultural differences and focused on what made them the same, their humanity. She loved him irrespective of whatever he could buy or do for her, because whatever he could buy or do for her, she could twitch up something better.
I wish I had those powers. Thank you. Off-screen, Elizabeth Montgomery was one of the first celebrities to utilize their public persona for the betterment of the world community. She donated her time, name, and money to charities and advocacy for the peace movement, UNICEF, the disabled community, and to those suffering from AIDS. Unaffected by her prestigious upbringing, her parents were film and television star Robert Montgomery and Broadway actress Elizabeth Allen. Elizabeth Montgomery's heart and soul lives on with the Classic TV Preservation Society. As a result, we dedicate this evening to the immortal magic and memory of the beautiful Elizabeth Montgomery.
Yes. The CTVPS celebrates these facts. There are physicians around the world who entered the medical field because of Marcus Welby, MD. Some attorneys were inspired by Perry Mason. Family members have learned to better communicate through the years because of shows like Father Knows Best, The Brady Bunch, The Waltons, and Life Goes On. Prosthetic limb construction was advanced because various scientists were inspired in their youth by watching The $6 Million Man. The women's liberation movement was commandeered on television by Marlo Thomas, Mary Tyler Moore, Linda Carter, and Wonder Woman. Much of present technology, everything from smartphones to iPads, have been influenced by Star Trek. The CTVPS caters to our culture with care. We anticipate the challenges of the modern media age and continue to develop new and innovative ways to inspire positive family values for every generation. The CTVPS is here to embrace, document, and help spread the word that classic television is an untapped resource for education, to prove that classic TV shows, in particular, are not only entertaining, but informative, socially significant, and psychologically nutritious.
I like that
Good word.
phrase, psychologically nutritious. The CTVPS Board of Directors includes actress Kathy Garver from
Yes.
Family Affair.
Let's have a nice hand for Kathy Garver.
And Lydia Cornell, Too Close to Country.
Yes.
Producers, writers, and directors Danny Gold and Matthew Asner.
Yes.
Disabled Actors Advocate Vince Staskell, did I say that
Yes.
right?
God bless you, Vince.
Dr. James J. Cole of Hofstra University from Long Island.
Yes.
World Peace Advocate Performance Artist Thomas Warfield.
Nephew of the great William Warfield. Yes.
Inspirational author Naveen Salvada.
Sabine.
Acclaimed media historian Robert S. Ray and Ed Spielman. Oh, wait,
Robert S.
separate.
Ray.
Robert S. Ray.
There you go, Rob.
And Ed Spielman, creator of the groundbreaking TV show Kung Fu.
Yes. Each of these individuals and all of those classic TV legends who we are so honored and blessed to have with us tonight so perfectly represent the soul of the CTVPS. They each utilize the purest forms of their varied talents, abilities, and charismatic personas to bring light to the world of entertainment and to bring light to the world in general. So enjoy the evening, and when we come back, we'll meet our first guests. Commercial break, yeah.